Ready?
Ready? Ready.
Hi everyone! How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Madhushmita and you are welcome to Dear Wallet. As you have read from the title, today in this video we are going to do a very fun challenge, and as you can see I have a guest with me. So she is Ananya and she is my cousin's sister.
Hello.
She also have a YouTube channel as well, and we have also done a video on her channel. It's about beginners for makeup. So if you are a beginner and you want to see what products I used on her and all, please check out her channel as well. I'll be mentioning her channel in the description box as well as the video. Today we are going to do a very fun challenge, that is never have I ever. So I did ask on my Instagram story that suggest some siblings challenge or any fun challenge so that we both sisters can do. So we decided to do never have I ever. Also made 10 questions as well. I have prepared 20 questions in total. I have prepared 10 questions
And I have prepared 10.
I don't know what questions she has prepared, and she also don't know what questions I have prepared. So to be fair, 10 questions we don't know, so it will be fun. And yeah, so if you are interested then please continue watch. So we will start with her questions and then like alternatively so alternatively we'll ask questions. So start.
So my first question is, never have I ever used bathroom in complete darkness.
Power cut.
Yeah, definitely we have done.
Okay. So my question is, never I have ever indulged in a physical fight with each other.
Not only with each other, in my childhood when I was in 5th grade, I got a punch from a boy and it literally made me
same here.
cry.
Yeah, same here in like nursery, LKG, which I have also like.
That was a violent.
That was very violent. It came to our parents and the parents also started fighting, oh, your child, my child and all those.
My question is, never have I ever escaped from the class.
Bunking class, obviously.
Not only bunking, in between the class we have a पीछे से एक door होता है, like we escape from that if we do not want anything like copy submit नहीं करना है, assignment नहीं देना है, तो वैसे time पे हम भाग जाते हैं.
So I remember like when I was in class 7th or 8th, like there was a boring class. I think वो history होगा definitely. Obviously it was history. So like हम लोग like 4 जन plan किए washroom के बहाने we'll just go out and we'll never come back. So we did that and we never came back. Like next period हम आ गए, but वो period we were totally in washroom.
ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. In my class, we bunk our classes and at the end of the time of the attendance, we sneak into the class through those doors, and we even get the attendance and teacher never know.
That's it. Never have I ever walked for more than 8 hours straight.
Vaishno Devi, we were together. That was so hilarious night. Oh God.
Like actually we went on a helicopter and the weather was like
on return a बहुत ज़्यादा heavy rain होने लगा, so flight and everything was closed and we have to walk straight. And that was slopey था एकदम, गिर जा रहे थे. So my next question is, never have I ever stalked account of your ex, of my ex. I don't. I have blocked them right now, but at just after breakup, no, that time I just stalked.
No, for me it was like I didn't know even his account was there or not. He followed me on Instagram. Like last year he followed me on Instagram, so I was like, who is this? Like, is it that person who I'm thinking of? And there it is. It was him. So he stalked me. So.
From that I remember one incident. Something was to be shared to win, so I told my current boyfriend to share to some people. My current boyfriend is a good friend of my ex, so he sometimes being in touch, he is in touch, so he shared my video to that person, like my ex, and my ex has commented on that video and I was like, who is, oh God. Then after that I blocked him.
So by accidentally we have stopped. So
yeah.
Next question is, never have I ever experienced a paranormal experience.
Never.
How?
No, I have never. Okay, my next question is, never have I ever gone to bathroom and come back without washing hands. Never. It's so unhygienic.
Yeah. Like susu करना हो तो I don't, but
No, I even if I go to susu also तो भी मैं हाथ धो के निकलती हूँ, like एक habit हो गया है ये.
question, never have I ever broke a bone. I was there when her
we were playing pakram pakrai in the in the rooftop
terrace.
हाँ, in the terrace.
It was my old place.
Yeah, in Bhubaneswar itself.
Yeah. So like power cut हो गया था तो हम लोग छत पे ऐसे ही like you know
खेल रहे थे,
chilling and all.
एक पाइप था उसमें मेरा पैर अटक के मैं गिर गई and
she was like, I'm going to die. मैं मरने वाली हूँ, मैं मरने वाली हूँ.
she still remembers and she makes fun of that.
That was so funny, guys. Like,
okay, my next question is, never have I ever kissed someone having same gender or same sex.
not including my mummy and all.
हाँ, मतलब friends, मतलब कोई family relation नहीं है तो.
So never. My next question, never have I ever fart in public. Accidentally हो जाता है.
अब अंदर की चीज कौन मतलब बचा के कैसे रख सकता है कोई?
My next question is, never have I ever swam naked in a pool or beach. बचपन में
पूरा naked.
हाँ, of course. बीच में कौन? एक मिनट, नहीं never. क्या ही फर्क हो? उसमें लाइक चड्डी वड्डी पहन के नहा लेते थे हम लोग. मेरे को अभी याद आया था.
Yeah, that is not skinny dipping. उसको skinny dipping बोलते हैं तो never. Never have I ever proposed anyone first.
Never have I ever seen a topless in a beach. मतलब तुमने किसी बीच में किसी टॉपलेस जिसमें कोई टॉप नहीं पहना हो, वैसे बिकिनी और एनीथिंग पूरा नेकेड. आई हैव इन पूरी बीच. या वो जो नहाते हैं ना अंदर बीच में जो वॉशरूम होता है उसमें जो नहाने जाते हैं लाइक इन द
okay
at that time like that. Otherwise no. Next question is, never have I ever dropped my phone in the toilet.
But thank God मेरा फोन को कुछ नहीं हुआ, but I did like for that, like I don't want to remember.
No, I remember that was very hilarious. When I mean कहीं घूमने गई थी कहीं बाहर. आई वॉज स्लीपी एंड मुझे वॉशरूम लगा. मैं गई, पॉकेट में फोन था, एक छोटा नोकिया जैसा फोन आता ना उस टाइम में, जब हम छोटी थी उस टाइम. मैं गई एंड वो एकदम टॉयलेट के अंदर पूरा गिर गया. वो टॉयलेट के बाहर से ऐसे निकाल के उसको फिर फेंकना पड़ा. इट वाज टू बैड.
एंड गेस व्हाट गाइस, ये खुद टॉयलेट में गिरी है. जो नाला नहीं होता है वो खुद नाले में गिरी है. फोन में नहीं, खुद भी गिरी है.
Oh God,
that was so hilarious. पता नहीं कैसे गिरी, बट नाले में गिर गई.
उसने छोटी थी मैं.
Yeah, I think she was like 6 or 7 years of age. Like
yeah.
तब गिरी. Okay, my next question is a very silly one. But never have I ever cheated on a test.
Of course.
I told you it was silly.
Yeah, that was. Just never have I ever tried cutting my own hair. Of course, everybody may have done.
Please. Except my facial hair, I have never cut my own hair. I won't do that.
Oh lol, I have done. Like सामने का एकदम लंबा हो गया था and I thought to save some money from my pocket. Like I thought she may have done that.
No. I'm saying right now I'm doing shaving, cutting my eyebrows and all at home, but not my hair. I don't know.
You I have a lot of hair on my skin. I cut like this in scissors sometimes.
हाँ तो वो करते हैं यार, वो शेविंग वगैरह वो सब होता है, बट नॉट कटिंग माई हेयर. सो एक्चुअली इसके जितने क्वेश्चन थे उसमें 3 सेम निकले, लाइक द एस्केप फ्रॉम क्लास एंड किस समवन ऑफ सेम सेक्स एंड गॉन टू वॉशरूम विदाउट वॉशिंग. सो ये तीनों सेम थे. सो आई हैव द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज नेवर हैव आई एवर हैड एन ओपन रिलेशनशिप. पता है ओपन रिलेशनशिप का मतलब क्या है?
What? Everybody knows ना.
हाँ तो क्या है बोल.
सबको पता है हमारे रिलेशनशिप के बारे में, यही ना.
नो, ओपन रिलेशनशिप मीन्स लाइक मतलब एक साथ तू ना बहुत जन को डेट कर सकती है. Like even the person you are with वो भी कर सकता है और तू भी कर सकता है, तो it is open question.
No, we have more time. That's very nice.
इसीलिए मैंने उसको पूछा कि do you know the meaning?
Question. Never have I ever did prank phone calls. सबका आइडिया सब भी करते हैं.
Like when we were in NCC camp हम लोग like सोते नहीं थे रात भर, तो we used to prank call like some seniors and all, उनके नंबर से तो हम लोग prank call करते. That was fun.
हमारे टाइम पे तो हम लोग घर जाके प्रैंक करके आ जाते थे, वो भी प्रिंसिपल सर को. That was very hilarious.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys love this video. हमने थोड़ा सा like fun questions try किया add करने के लिए, and also do check her YouTube channel as well. She makes all kinds of video, मतलब except makeup and skincare. If you are not interested in makeup and skincare, then she is the right candidate for you. You can check.
Basically,
her
I am interested in dancing and sort of things.
Yeah, so you can go and check her YouTube channel. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.